Imagine this with me. What if for the next 20 years, you simply invested $50 a month, not $500, not $1,000, not some big impressive amount, just $50. An amount so small that most people spend it without even noticing, on coffee, takeout, random things that disappear the same day. But instead of letting that money vanish, imagine you placed it into the S&P 500 month after month, year after year, and then just left it. No stress, no charts, no day trading, no trying to outsmart the market. Just a small, consistent habit. Now here's the part that shocks most people. They think $50 is nothing. They think, what's $50 going to do for me? But the real power of investing has nothing to do with the amount, and everything to do with time, consistency, and compound growth. The S&P 500, home to giants like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, has historically grown around 8% to 10% per year. Meaning, if you invested $50 every single month for 20 years, people tend to underestimate tiny amounts. They respect the person who invests $10,000 in one shot, but they laugh at the person investing $50 a month. But the truth, the $10,000 investor might invest once. The $50 investor invests forever. And the person who invests forever will win every single time. Because the secret to growing wealth isn't big money. It's small money, repeated consistently. Think of it like planting seeds. One seed means nothing. But one seed every month for 20 years. That becomes a forest. A forest of safety. A forest that protects you. A forest that grows while you sleep. This is what compound growth is. Your money earns money. Then that money earns money. And before you know it, your tiny $50 becomes something real, something meaningful, something powerful enough to change your life. And here's what most people get wrong. They wait. They wait for the right time. They wait until they make more. They wait until they feel ready. But life doesn't reward people who wait. It rewards people who start. Because even if you doubled your income in the future, the time you wasted is gone forever. Every month you don't invest is a month compounding could have worked for you. $50 a month is not about the amount, it's about the identity. It's you saying, I choose to build, not waste. I choose long-term thinking, not short-term pleasure. I choose my future self. And imagine yourself 20 years from now. Imagine looking back and realizing a small, tiny habit you barely noticed turned into financial security. Meanwhile, others who waited for the right moment are still waiting. The difference between someone who is financially stable and someone who constantly struggles is not intelligence, not income, not luck. It's the decision to start small and stay consistent. And here's the most important part. 20 years will pass whether you invest or not, whether you save or not, whether you prepare or not. The only question is, who will you be in 20 years? The person who let every $50 disappear, or the person who turned every $50 into a stronger future? The person who hoped things would get better, or the person who made things better? Because $50 a month is not a sacrifice. It's a gift you're giving to the future version of you. A gift of safety, a gift of stability, a gift of peace. And trust me, when the years pass, you will never regret starting, but you will regret waiting. So start today. Even if the amount is small. Even if you're unsure. Even if you feel like it won't matter. Because after 20 years, it will matter. And it might matter more than anything else you've done for yourself financially. Small beginnings become big outcomes if you stay consistent long enough. And if this helped open your mind, make sure to hit subscribe and drop a like. It really supports the channel and helps us reach more people.